Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel an order on Amazon. Here's how to cancel an order on the Amazon web app. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Amazon account. And how do you do that? Visit amazon.com using any browser of your choice and click sign in at the top right corner of the page. Once you get into the website, enter your credentials to access your account after clicking on sign in, of course. And then that's going to take you right into your account, which you have in here. From here, hover over your account and the list at the top right corner of the page. And you'll be provided with a couple of options, including account, others, keep shopping for, recommendations, browsing history, and all the way down to sign out. Click on others from the drop-down menu, and that is going to take you to the others management page. Once we get in there, I'm definitely going to show you what to do next. So now we're here. Scroll through your list of recent orders to locate the order you wish to cancel. I have not placed any order on Amazon. That's why my order list is pretty much empty. Then, once you have located the order you wish to cancel, click on the Cancel Items button next to the specific order. And that's going to take you to the cancellation page. On the cancellation page, check the box next to the items you want to cancel. If you want to cancel specific items from the order, make sure to select only those. Now, you may be prompted to select a reason for the cancellation from a drop-down menu. You may not also be prompted to do that. This step, like I said, may be optional. After selecting the items and the reason, if required, click the Cancel Checked Items button to confirm the cancellation. After that, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your order has been successfully canceled. Additionally, an email notification will be sent to you confirming the cancellation. You can also cancel orders that have not yet been shipped. If the order is already in transit, you may need to wait for it to arrive and then initiate a return. And if you ordered items from different sellers, you may need to cancel each seller's items separately. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.